Hello dear friends, I'm Dr. Ajit Kumar Patangia, a USA-educated DDS-MS dentist worked abroad before and a coach. Let's learn good English together. Lack of vocabulary or jargon is the primary reason why a large portion of us find it difficult to talk familiar English. We frequently depend on similar words and articulations, which gives our discourses sound dull and exhausting. Sounds brutal, however its existence. To talk classy English, you want to extend your vocabulary or jargon. The following are 4 hints that will extend your vocabulary. Tip number 1. One method for further developing your vocabulary is to peruse a great deal of books. Whenever you read, you will go over new words that you don't have any idea. Make a note of these words and find them in a word reference, dictionary and Google. Tip number 2. You can likewise learn new words by utilizing cheat sheets. Record the significance of a word on one side of the card and the actual word on the opposite side. You can then test your vocabulary by flipping the cards. Tip number 3. One more method for further developing your vocabulary is to utilize a thesaurus. This is a word reference of equivalents and antonyms. This can be useful when you are attempting to track down the right word to use in your composition. Equivalent words and antonyms will assist you with change up your talking or composing abilities. You can communicate similar circumstance in various ways, contingent upon the words you pick. Tip number 4. To wrap things up, you can work on your vocabulary by rehearsing articulation. This will assist you with turning out to be more acquainted with the hints of words. Articulating words accurately will assist you with understanding them better when you hear them. It will likewise make it more straightforward for individuals to comprehend what you are talking about. Last considerations. There are numerous ways of working on your vocabulary. By utilizing some or these techniques, you will actually want to grow your vocabulary and utilize more refined words in your expressing and composing. That's it for now. Please subscribe my channel if you want to learn various things to become a successful person. Good day. Thank you so much.